Hi everyone, welcome back. Let me introduce you to the new Apogee interface that's called Boom. This is a great interface for when you're a musician, music producer, podcaster, or you want to do live streaming. I really like this one and I got it from Apogee to review. So I will show you how it looks, what you can do with it, and also how the software works. So let's go! Boom is a 2x2 USB-C interface, so you have 2 inputs and 2 outputs, and you easily can connect this to your computer, to your laptop, and also to your iPad Pro. It comes with hardware DSP-FX, so you are able to scope your sound without any latency. And it also includes a really nice channel strip with a compressor, saturation and equalizer. And the cool thing is that the presets are tuned by Bob Clear Mountain. It includes a loopback function. You also have a direct monitoring and Ableton Live Lite, so you right away can use this as a DAW for recording. And it has really great preamps. Now it's time to have a closer look at Boom. It's really easy to connect your Boom. Apogee also included this USB-C cable with USB-A adapter. I really like the color. The purple is definitely my color. Here I'll show you how it looks. So you see here the above angle. Here is the front side. This is how it looks on the bottom. This is the other side, the back side, and here we are on the top again. It's light, it's really light in weight. I think this is awesome. When you travel, you can take it with you to listen to music or to record. So yeah, really, really nice. You see here 2 inputs. One is a combination input, so you can also plug in a microphone in that one. And both of the inputs are able to handle line level and instrument level, which is really cool. Here you can control Boom. So over here you can see the USB-C connection. This you use also to power up your Boom. This is to lock it. This is the headphone output. The cool thing about this headphone output is you can use just normal headphones, but if you have hi-fi headphones, you can use this as well. So you don't need an extra amplifier for that. And here are 2 outputs that you connect to your speakers. I just installed Control 2. This is the software that comes with your Apogee Boom. This is the toolbar, and here on the side you have your system sidebar. So you can see your sample rate, and if your Boom is connected, you can see this here with green. Here you see analog input 1 and analog input 2. My microphone is connected now in analog input 1. I already put the gain. The preamp is really good. So I have a Shure SM7B. This is a microphone that needs a lot of gain, and you are really able to do that with this sound card. You see that I'm now on microphone. So with microphone, you are able to connect your microphone or a DI box. You can also put it on plus for dBu. And this is for professional gear. So when you want to connect a separate preamp or an equalizer or compressor or desk, you use this one. This is minus 10 dBV. That is semi-professional. This you use, for instance, for hi-fi equipment or certain instruments that need this, but always look this up in your manual. Instrument is for your instruments. So you can connect guitars, your bass, your drum machines or synthesizers. You can use this. This is the pad. So when you have an instrument or a sound source that is really loud, you activate that and you go minus 10 dB. These are the gain controls. Here we have a 48-volt phantom power. This button is to activate both of your channels together, so you are able to use one gain control. And this is really good, for instance, if you have a drum machine that is stereo with left and right. And here we have the polarity switch or phase switch. This is the pen pot. Now it's in the middle. You can put it on the left side or on the right side. And here I have the fader, so you can lower your gain or push it more. Here you can stereo link them together. Here's your mute and here's your solo. Boom also has an effects rack that you can use. And it is low latency because it makes use of DSP processing. It comes already with one plugin. It's the Symphony ECS, the channel strip. So here you put it on. You can hear it already on my vocals. You see here, you can bypass it and you can activate it. So it comes with an equalizer, a compressor. Here you can put it on off. You can choose if the EQ is before the compressor or after the compressor, and it has a drive and an output level. You have also different settings. I can put this on female vocals, but it sounds a little bit thinner, I found out, because my vocal is low. I put it now on male vocals. I like this on my vocal a little bit better. I can do parallel compression as well. I put it now on 50. Here's the drive, so I'm also able to use saturation or even distortion if I want to. I can lower the output or put it up. So I put now Alt, click, and it goes to 0. You also can buy different channel strips. Apogee has several ones, but this one is included. This is the headphone section. You recognize it on this symbol. Here you see the level from your headphones, and here you can see the level from your speakers. This is for your gain, so you can lower the gain or make it higher. Here you have a mute button. This is to dim your sound, and this is to sum it to mono if you need to check your mix in mono. At this moment, it follows the main output, and the main output is now on mixer. So whatever you do here, it will then follow it if it's on this position. You can say what you listen to. So if you want to make a headphone mix and your headphone mix goes to playback 3 and 4, then you click this one. Here's the mixer, so that is for the full thing. And this is for the inputs, if you just want to listen to the inputs. This is the main output. My gain is now on the maximum because I'm using an external monitor controller. If you don't use this, then please put your gain not on the maximum. This is also mute, dim, and sum to mono. You can also send different signals to your speakers. For instance, if you want to check a headphone mix, you can say that your headphone mix is going to 3, 4 and your playback is going from 1 and 2. This is now on the mixer, so I hear everything what I'm doing. And this is for your hardware inputs, for instance, if you want to check how they sound over your speakers. This is the mixer master section with the master fader. You are able to create a loopback, and with a loopback you can record what you hear. So when you put this on software input 1 and 2, first you get a warning. So make sure that in your DAW, your arm track that you record is muted. Otherwise you create a feedback loop. The other thing what is really good is that you can use direct monitoring when you record yourself. And normally when you are not able to do this and you would do software monitoring, you can get latency, especially when you have a big project with a lot of plugins, and then your voice gets later. I show you how that sounds so that you know what latency is. So here we go. This is my voice without latency, and now it is with. This is latency, so that's very confusing to sing. And let's put it off. So now you hear direct monitoring. And of course, when I want to sing over the song, here you hear some music. I easily can sing now the part that I want to sing without latency. I hope you like Boom as much as I do. In my opinion, it's a great interface. It's really high quality, well built, and easy to use. If you have any more questions about it, just ask them in the comment section. I will go over it and I try to answer them. For now, I say goodbye and I see you the next time.